What's up, bro?
Hey, what's up, man? I heard what you was talking about, man, and I just had a few minutes. I had to jump up on here and tell folks what happened to me, because it's exactly what you talking about. It's exactly what you talking about. I had a couple items, a number of items that went into collections, and two of them, I made the mistake, just like you said. I made a mistake of paying the collections, and just like you said, the thing stayed on my credit report, hurt my credit report. I had the original item and the collection, both hurting me. That was going to both hurt me for the next 7 years, until I got with this program and disputed them and had them removed. And I mean, and a lot of folks just don't realize that it happens with people each and every day. You know,
every day.
Paying the collections is not helping you. The only way it helps is you got to get that thing in writing. And a lot of these agencies ain't even trying to do that. They just trying to take that. They paying pennies on the dollar for that debt, and then they taking the rest of the money that's going in their pocket. Straight in their pocket. And so you know, don't pay these collections. I wouldn't do it.
The collectors have nothing. Yeah, the collectors have nothing to do with. I'm trying to tell y'all, the collectors, it's the loaners, the people. Y'all listen. If y'all got like bank loans and student loans and stuff like that, it's up to the loaners to come after you. It's not up to the collectors. The collectors are the people who collected your information, and they just want money from you. That's all they want. They just want money from you. It's up to the loaners to come after you, y'all. The people that y'all dealt with.
And a lot of times they ain't gonna do that, because if it's a small enough item, they'll just write the thing off. That's a write-off for them, and they'll send you a 1099, say that's income for you, and the matter is done with. The matter is done with. But then you get this agency come in and say, I want the $1,000 or whatever. You know, it is not going to help your credit. It's still going to hurt your credit. It wasn't until I disputed it that it improved my credit. So yeah, I would never make that mistake again. First of all, I try not to avoid collections anyway, but you know, I can't front like life don't happen. So,
right. That's why we recommend people, when they get this credit system, keep it. You don't get rid of it. You keep this credit system, because life happens. You might get back in debt. You might late payments, things like that. So life does happen, y'all. That's why you keep the credit system. Mm-hmm. And you also keep it to help your family member and friends and social media friends.
Yep. You know, I heard one other thing, then I'm going to jump off of here. Yeah, I heard one other thing June was talking about, you know, because sometimes I've seen people on this app, they'll scare you into paying the collection, say, oh, they can sue you. They can sue you. Maybe, what are they going to sue you for? I mean, they bought the debt. They bought the debt. They bought the debt. How did I damage them? How you gonna sue me? You bought the debt, so I'm supposed to damage you?
Exactly.
You bought like a $50 to $100 debt, but you expect me to pay $1,000 like I didn't hurt you for $1,000. I didn't do nothing to you. I don't know who you are.
You didn't deal with those people. You did not deal with the collectors. Your signature is not on those forms.
Exactly.
So by law, you have every right to permanently remove it without paying it off. That's how you catch them right there, y'all.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. So
they collect access of your information. That's how you catch them right there.
Exactly. So, hey, get with this program. If you watch, everybody watching on Joe's side, get with this program. If you're on my side, I'm gonna try to go live later on this week and break it down some more. But we got it. It's time to wisen up and get hip to how everything goes. And we got the source to educate folks. So
it's time to break that generation curse. It's time. It's time to break. It's time to break through those, man. It's over with. It's time to break through that for real. And we need to teach our children the same thing.
Exactly. All right, well, I'm gonna jump off of here. Appreciate you having me on.
No problem, bro.
All right, I'll holler at you.
All right, bro.